guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. Alright, so today is finally the day I get to mess with the Rx8. So right now I'm about to go take the car to the shop. It's gonna start taking it apart and then see what's wrong with it and put coils and wheels on it. So I might put these on it. I'm not sure, just because the Lexus is temporarily getting different wheels. So we'll see what happens. Closer. So we just got to Mike's shop and we're gonna start working on the Rx8 real quick. Right now the car is completely stock, which I'm planning on leaving it stock for a little bit. Besides wheels, coils, and whatever maintenance we could put on it, like maintenance mods. But as you can see, it's super cramped and complicated. So this is like the hardest engine to pull out of any rotary cars. I'm gonna take my time with it, make sure everything's put on background right so it works perfectly. And after that, it's gonna be wheels and coilovers and then a little splitter. Pretty much make it a really cool daily so I can drive it around while I'm here and maybe take it back with me to California once I leave. Alright, so long ass day. Didn't really get to record much. I was working by myself, but got the engine out, sitting right there right now. So now I get to do the fun part, which is taking it apart to see what's wrong with it. But shit got dirty. Alright, so back at it at the shop. I had the engine right here. I'm gonna take it apart, see what's wrong with it, but take out all this crap carefully because it all needs to go back in. But today we're gonna find out what actually happened to the engine, because this is an S2, which is like the better Rx8, so it's not supposed to lose compression like it did. So we just gotta take everything apart and see how much it's gonna be to fix it.
side seal.
I love the I got 100 PSI with the housing like that.
The side seal is on. And was it smoking? Just need to resurface more. Probably the coils are bad. Need to resurface the housings.
Should we port it?
Nope.
Why?
Because you don't have anybody to tune it.
We got a little port.
No, it'll make it run worse.
I don't already. Alright, so these housings are not bad. You can see like the little shattering marks on them, but they can be resurfaced. So I'm gonna need just a basic rebuild kit, and it's gonna be back and running on the road, which is perfect because I was about to buy another engine for it, but this thing is perfect to rebuild. Gotta clean everything and buy the parts. Went ahead, started cleaning the housings to see what condition they're in, and they are pretty shot. You can see now that all the dirt's gone off, you can see how deep the grooves are there. But that's not the bad part. The bad part is up top. Let me see where it was at. Right here. You see right here, the chrome chipped away, so this housing is no good. And then the other one, same thing. You see it down here, all that chrome's gone, and up here, you see the same thing. So those are junk. Definitely gonna need new housings. They're about $750 a piece. So this car just got a little bit more expensive.